Welcome guys to the first video of 2024. This time we are showing you the brand new Novitec Ferrari 296 GTB. I love that car, really. Alright guys, so what did we do to this 296? You saw the video of the 296 of the grey one on our channel. If you didn't see it, up here. This one have not only a new suspension, new exhaust, new wheels, it also got the fully carbon program what we offer right now. The front we have new front splitters over there. They're replaced with the original ones. They are normally plastic. If we go a little bit further to the back, we have a new carbon side skirt, completely from the front till the back. This one, you have the fin over here, what goes from the front to the side skirt. We have new mirror caps over here, triangle covers on the windows. We have a new carbon piece here for the air inlet on the rear shoulder, what extend the line from the back to the front a little bit more and makes it really sexy in my opinion. If we go further to the back, we have our new NF11 wheels, this time in black. You saw them probably on the other car in silver. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what is your choice, black, silver. We offer other colors too, but I think I would go with black. I think it's time to turn the car around and we will see what happens in the rear. On the rear side we have a ducktail on this one, but you can choose. I think Josh will show you the rear lip, what we offer too. You have two options right now, maybe there's another one in the future, who knows. I think I'll pop the hood and show you something else. We have here also the completely engine bay in carbon. This one has the stainless steel tips from the exhaust. The other one have the ones with matte carbon on it. You also can leave it stock. So you can use our exhaust system, but have the exhaust tips and the style of the stock ones. In my opinion, no, but okay. And we have a new carbon rear diffuser down there, as well as the active spoiler over here in carbon. All right, so I think there are a little bit more parts on the car. You can check them out on our homepage or on Instagram or whatever to see everything in place, where it goes, in which options we offered, everything. I think that's enough talk for right now. I start the car up and you can listen to it and see how it sounds. It's amazing. Alright guys, we have one big problem over here. We have -2 degrees right now and we had -10 yesterday and we have a lot of snow. So it makes not so much sense to drive a 868 horsepower car. Here he is. see our ducktail over there, and it nearly looks like you're driving an SF90. It really feels also like you're driving an SF90. And maybe we shouldn't go that fast right now. It's a little bit cold, and the tires are also a little bit cold, and concrete is freezing like. In my opinion, this is the best mid-engine Ferrari since the 488 piston. 100%. 100%. It's crazy. You like when I say crazy, huh? Jon is still on vacation, so I would say as soon as he's back and our 296 GTS is ready, he should do a proper video and driving it outside with for sure better weather than now, because now it makes absolutely no sense to drive 868 horsepower in the snow. So the exhaust is one part what you need for sure if you drive a 296 GTB or GTS. It's a complete different car if you have that exhaust on. I love that car, really. Okay, we have a tunnel over here. You're ready for a quick sound check? Really? Sounds that for you like a V6? No, for sure not. That's enough for today. We prepared some shots from last year with better weather, and I would say you enjoy them now, and we see us maybe one day again. Ciao.